I have experienced migraines for over 4 years. I've had 6 different doctors, 2 different neurologists, and finally went to a pain clinic. Throughout the last 4 years, I've had multiple shots and surgeries and, like I say, many different types of drugs. It got to a point where I couldn't do anything at all. I was pretty much stuck in bed 24/7. After talking with the most recent doctor, we had tried doing several different types of blocks, nerve blocks, like I say, many different shots in my neck and in my head, and it got to a point where I just felt like I couldn't do anything else, and there was a new procedure called a spinal cord stimulator that I could go ahead and get inserted, which required several wires that went from the back of my neck down to the middle of my back, and there was a battery inserted as well as a metal plate in the back of my neck. This was to hopefully help an electronic sensation going up my spine into my neck area to prevent the migraines. I had 3 different surgeries, the same surgeries, because some of them didn't take, and then the last one was supposed to take, and it worked for a little bit, but it didn't last. About $450,000 later in medical bills, we decided that, you know, this was not working. I still used the stimulator, but nothing was working. Back in August, my husband met Chris Coltran, and Chris had told Kevin about my husband, about the water, and my husband came home that day, and I can remember it as clear as day, him telling me that, oh, this water's gonna work. And you have to understand, after 4 years of everybody trying to fix you, it was just another fly-by-night type of thing. So my husband every day came home and said, we gotta go to this demo on a Sunday. And I was very reluctant. And so I remember Dr. Dave being there that day, and Dr. Dave asking me all these different types of questions, and you know, the extensive type of things that I've gone through, the different procedures. And he just really encouraged me to continue to drink the water. I was not a water drinker. I drank probably 3 or 4 Cokes a day, and did not drink water. I did not like water at all. And I can remember sitting there at Chris's and Anna's dining room table just drinking this water, and I had probably 4 or 5 glasses by the time the demo was done. And I remember going, okay, well, I'm not feeling as bad as I did when I walked in here. And I'm thinking, no, this is just a fluke, like I said. We probably got, for 2 or 3 weeks, maybe 4 weeks, water from Chris consistently. My husband did ask me on the way home that night, would I please not drink anything other than this water? That was a huge commitment for me, and like I said, I did not like water. But by the 3rd or 4th day, I experienced where I wasn't having horrible migraines. So then I just, you know, said, oh, it's just the spinal cord stimulator that's working. It's not the water. Well, I got a little brave and turned off my spinal cord stimulator, and amazingly enough, I didn't have migraines. A week went by, I still didn't have migraines, and I guess it was about a month later that we finally bought our machine.